I always wanted to get custom keycaps for my mechanical keyboard, but never dished out the cash to buy them. After designing and 3D printing an ITX case, which you can watch that video if you're interested, I figured it wouldn't be too challenging to make my own keycaps. I started with a basic keycap design by taking measurements from my Corsair K70 mechanical keyboard's escape key. Once I created a 3D model that matched those dimensions, I took some creative liberty and customized them. All of the 3D models made in this video will be linked in the description below. I have a few future videos planned out involving both 3D printing and PC gaming, so if you like this video and would like to get notified when I post them, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's cue the time lapse. As I said at the beginning of the video, all the keycaps are available for download via the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be giving away keycaps to 3 random people who subscribe and leave a comment on this video. I'll announce the winners at the end of the month. Check out some of my other videos in the meantime, and thanks for watching.